Now I am going to start last unit ma. It is unit number 3 ma. Third unit. It is the last unit in our syllabus particulars ma. That unit name is conicoid. This conicoid is perfectly extension of your cones ma. Right? Same cones concept how to proceed here ma. Now first of all I am going to define what is a conicoid ma. Conicoid means what ma? Conicoid means the locus of points or the locus of the equation of second degree in terms of x comma y comma z is called as a conicoid. The locus of second degree equation in terms of x comma y comma z, that means what ma? Second degree equation in terms of x comma y comma z is what? Ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This represents a surface. Such surface is called as a conicoid. In this case, these A, B, C, F, G, H and U, V, W, D, all these are constants. In this, at least one of A, B, C, F, G, H, at least one of A, B, C, F, G, H must be non-zero. At least one of these constants A, B, C, A comma B comma C, F comma G comma H must be what ma? Non-zero. Then this represents a surface which is called as conicoid ma. This is the definition of conicoid, right? Now let us see definition of central conicoid. Our work is completely under this only, central conicoid ma. We are going to proceed complete our work in this central conicoid only. Let us see what is a central conicoid ma. Central conicoid. What is this central conicoid once observe ma? It is very simple ma. If a conicoid having center at origin ma, let us take a conicoid ma. If its center is at origin, such conicoid is called as central conicoid ma, right? A conicoid having center at origin is called as central conicoid ma. The equation of central conicoid is this ma. Ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1 or minus 1 equal to 0. Any order you can write ma. I mean here FGH and UVW, all these things becomes what ma? Zeros ma, because center at origin. This relation reduces to like this whenever it is central conicoid. How you reduce like this ma? We are taking in this center at origin ma. From that we got this expression ma. This is called as what ma? Central conicoid ma. Basically in this central conicoid we have near about 9 different surfaces ma. But we don't want to proceed all those 9 surfaces ma. According to our syllabus particulars, we are going to discuss just 3 surfaces only. I want to recollect those 3 surfaces only, not 9 surfaces ma. First one is ellipsoid. What is ellipsoid once look ma? It is, this is our central conicoid na. In this central conicoid, if all the constants means what ma? These ABC are constants or not? If all the constants are positive ma, such conicoid is called as ellipsoid ma. That means the equation of this ma, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. This is ellipsoid equation. Here instead of a we taken 1 by a square, b 1 by b square, c 1 by c square. Those are constants, you can take in any order. All these constants should be what ma? Positive. Here positive, here positive, here positive ma. That's why this is called as what ma? Ellipsoid. Ellipsoid means what ma? It is like this ellipse shape ma. This is ellipsoid ma. Understood or not? In this equation ma, in this central conicoid ma, if all the constants A, B, C are positive ma, such surface or conicoid is called as what ma? Ellipsoid. Shape should be like this ma, right? Next let us go through hyperboloid of one sheet ma. Hyperboloid of one sheet. one sheet hyperboloid. It is in the above central conicoid. If two constants are positive and other one is negative, totally three constants available na ABC. In those any two constants are positive and one constant is negative. Such surface is called as what? Hyperboloid of one sheet. Hyperboloid of one sheet. It is this x square by a square plus y square by b square minus z square by c square equal to 1. I taken two positives, one negative, right? Here not only you take here negative, these two positive you may take this negative. This is negative, these two positive. Any order you can take. Two constants should be positive and one constant is negative. Such central conicoid is called as what? Hyperboloid of one sheet. Its shape should be like this, like chimney. This is hyperboloid of one sheet, right? Next, let us go for hyperboloid of two sheets. Hyperboloid of two sheets. Double sheet hyperboloid. It is in this central conicoid. In this central conicoid, two constants are positive and two constants are negative and one is positive. In the central conicoid, if one constant positive and other two constants are negative, such surface or conicoid is called as what? Hyperboloid of one sheet. That is like this: x square by a square minus y square by b square minus z square by c square is equal to 1. This is hyperboloid of two sheets. Two sheets means just have to cut this. You have to bisect this one as two surfaces. That is like this. Here I am plotting. This is one and this is other one. Don't touch me. Like diyas, in Diwali diyas, right? This is called as what? Hyperboloid of two sheets. Its equation should be like this: x square by a square minus y square by b square minus z square by c square equal to 1. Like this, other six surfaces are available. Imaginary, ellipsoid, like that, so many available. We are not going to discuss all those things because in our syllabus we are going to proceed these type surfaces only. This is about your introduction of conicoid, right? Next, let us see intersection of a line with conicoid. Intersection of a line with conicoid. Intersection of a line with conicoid. Already this type of procedure we had done in two situations: intersection of a line with sphere as well as intersection of a line with cone. That same concept here we are going to discuss. In the unit 1, here instead of conicoid we have spheres. In unit 2, instead of conicoid we have what? Cone. Apart from that, logically there is no difference at all. That we are going to discuss now. Here, take your given line, something like x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. This is a line, and it is intersecting with the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1. Conicoid means always you must take central conicoid because our syllabus is completely in central conicoid. That's why I take in central conicoid equation. Now this line is intersecting with this conicoid. Then what are intersecting points there? Now we are going to define. For that, let us take your given line. Define a general point on that line. Take that general point is on this conicoid. In that general point, unknown some lambda will get. Substituting that lambda in the general point, you get your required intersecting points. This is complete outlook of this, right? But let us see what is that. First, take your given equation. Given line is x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. Let us consider this is equal to some lambda to find a general point on that line, right? Now define general point here. General point on above line is yes, it is, I am denoting with capital A. X is equal to alpha plus lambda L, y is equal to beta plus lambda m, z is equal to gamma plus lambda n. This is general point on this line. But you know, general point means anywhere on this line. Let us take it is at intersecting stage. Whenever it is at intersecting stage, it should be on the given conicoid. Just substitute this point in the conicoid. Let capital A is a point on the given conicoid. Yes, it is ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1. This implies a into alpha plus lambda whole square plus b into beta plus lambda L whole square, beta plus lambda m whole square plus c into gamma plus lambda n whole square minus 1 is equal to 0. Write down this one as a quadratic equation in terms of lambda. You will get this one. First lambda square coefficient I am writing a l square plus b m square plus c n square into lambda square. Just do a plus b whole square expansion in that lambda square coefficient, right? Here 2ab term gives what? Lambda coefficient. 2 I am taking common, as well as lambda also take outside common. 2 lambda we are taking common under 2ab part. 2 outside, lambda outside. A alpha L plus B beta M plus C gamma N into 2 lambda plus free from lambda term A alpha square plus B beta square plus C gamma square minus 1. A alpha square plus B beta square plus C gamma square minus 1 is equal to 0. I mean, on simplifying this expression, we get like this, a quadratic equation in terms of lambda. Now solve this, you get 2 lambda values. You get 2 lambda values here. Something like I am taking as any numbers you can take, 5 and 7 for example. On solving this, we got lambda equal to 5 and lambda equal to 7. Substituting these 2 lambda values in this in general point, you get your required intersecting point, intersecting points, right? This is about how to calculate intersecting point of a line with conicoid. This is same like your spheres and cones concept. In the examination, they don't ask this approach, they don't ask this. They'll give problem only, but problem is very important. In all these 3 situations, in at least one situation, compulsorily in the examination they are asking, right? That's why this concept try to remember. Now see problem here. Find the points of intersection of the line. Find the points of intersection. Find the points of intersection of the line minus 1 by 3 into x plus 5 is equal to y minus 4 by 1 is equal to 1 by 7 into z minus 11 with the hyperboloid 12x square minus 17y square plus 7z square is equal to 7. Find the points of intersection of the line minus 1 by 3 into x plus 5, y minus 4 by 1 equal to 1 by 7 into z minus 11 with the hyperboloid 12x square minus 17y square plus 7z square is equal to 7. This is your question. I mean, in this question what they want? This is your line and this is conicoid. Here they are giving name hyperboloid. Instead of hyperboloid they may give conicoid also, no problem at all. Hyperboloid and conicoid word no problem, because hyperboloid also one of the conicoid, right? If this line is intersecting with this hyperboloid, what are intersecting points there? That is your above question, right? For that, first let us take this line and define a general point on that line. First of all, I want to take given line. Given line is x plus 5 by minus 3. I am writing it as what? X plus 5 by minus 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 1 is equal to z minus 11 by 7. To define a general point here, let us take this is some lambda, this is equal to lambda. General point on above line is yes, let us denote with capital A. It is what? X is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 5, y is equal to lambda plus 4, z is equal to 7 lambda plus 11. Any problem with this? This equal to this implies you get this, this equal to this implies you get this, this equal to this implies z equal to what? 7 lambda plus 11, right? This is general point. In the next step, let us take this general point is on the given conicoid. Let us take it. Let capital A is a point on the given hyperboloid what is that hyperboloid? 12x square minus 17y square plus 7z square minus 7 equal to 0, because this 7 I am taking to left side. This implies 12 into minus 3 lambda minus 5 whole square minus 17 into lambda plus 4 whole square plus 7 into 7 lambda plus 11 whole square minus 7 is equal to 0. Here minus take common, minus 1 whole square is 1, so that this you can write as 3 lambda plus 5 whole square and a plus b whole square expansion do directly. This is 12 into a square 9 lambda square plus 2ab 2 3 6 into 5 plus 30 lambda 6 into 5 plus 25 minus 17 into, here also do that same thing, lambda square plus 8 lambda 2ab plus 16 b square plus 7 into 49 lambda square plus here 11 to 2 is the 22 into 7, 22 into 7 once look 14 1 14 15 I think 154 plus 154 lambda plus 11 square is what? 121 minus 7 is equal to 0, right? In the next step, simplify this, right? 12 into 9 is what? 108 lambda square plus 360 lambda plus 12 into 25. Let us do 12 into 25. You may get 300. I am writing directly, you must do the simplification here. Next, here minus 17 take inside, minus 17 lambda square minus 17 into 8, 17 into 8, it is 136 I think. 136 lambda minus 17 into 16 is what ma? 272. This part is over, plus 7 into 49, it is what ma? 343. Directly I am writing, you can calculate ma. Plus 7 into 154 ma, it is 1078 lambda. 7 into 121 ma, it may be 847 plus 847 minus this 7 I am writing as it is, which equal to 0. Just do this complete simplification ma, you get this ma. Again write lambda square term, lambda term and free from lambda term ma, you get this ma. 434 lambda square on simplifying this plus 1302 lambda plus 868 is equal to 0. Here divide throughout expression with 434 ma. You may get lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0, because 434 with divide ma, 1302 divided by 434 is 3, 868 divided by 434 is what ma? 2. Now again you can simplify ma. This implies lambda square plus 2 lambda plus lambda plus 2 equal to 0. In between these two things take lambda common ma. This implies lambda into lambda plus 2 plus 1 into lambda plus 2 is equal to 0. Overall let us take lambda plus 2 common into lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. From this you can find lambda values ma, those are minus 1 comma minus 2. Substituting these two lambda values in capital A ma, you get your required intersecting points ma. Substituting lambda equal to minus 1 and lambda equal to minus 2 in point A, capital A ma, we get, yes, directly I am proceeding ma. First go for lambda equal to minus 1 here ma. Here it is plus ma, minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. Here ma 3 minus 1 plus 4. Next ma minus 7 plus 11 is what ma? Plus 4. And let us go for second point substitution ma. Lambda equal to minus 2 here ma. Minus into minus becomes plus. It is what ma? 6. 6 minus 1 is what ma? 1. Next lambda equal to minus 2, it is 2 minus 2 plus 4, it is 2 ma. Next lambda equal to minus 2. Minus 14 plus 11, is it minus 3 or not? This be required intersecting points. Yes, this is about your question ma. Minus 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, minus 3 ma. If in this model ma, simply they will give one line and one conicoid ma, they want intersecting points between them, you must go like this only. This is again one of the important concept here. Yes, now here see, theorem number 1 ma. Here theorem 1 and theorem 2 are very important theorems, as theoretical wise as well as in so many applications, problematic stages, we are going to use theorem number 1 and theorem number 2. These are the basically base theorems for this total conicoid ma. Yes, the theorem number 1 is, prove that the equation of a tangent plane, prove that the equation of tangent plane, equation of tangent plane to the conicoid, we are denoting that conicoid with S ma, which is ax square plus by square plus cz square minus 1 equal to 0. Otherwise they may give to the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. That we are denoting with S, that's why we are writing like this ma. At the point x1 y1 z1 is axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 is equal to 1 or minus 1 equal to 0. That is the same thing you can write as what ma, s1 equal to 0, because if this is s ma, this becomes, if you can take minus 1 to this side ma, axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus 1 equal to 0, that becomes s1 or not ma. I mean this implies you can write the same thing you can write as what ma, take minus 1 to other side, then axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus 1 should be what ma, s1, s1 equal to 0. From sphere topic onwards we are proceeding this theorem ma. In all the three situations, means spheres, cones and here ma, our condition equation of tangent plane should be what ma, s1 equal to 0. But there s changes. In spheres we taken s as your regular sphere ma, in cones we taken s as regular cone ma. Now here in conicoid we taken central conicoid as s ma. According to that s1 is what ma, axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus 1 equal to minus 1 ma. It is s1 ma, right? Simply remember equation of tangent plane is s1 equal to 0. According to your given surface s ma, you can define s1, right? Proof is also same like previous two stages ma. Yes, here first of all I want to take given conicoid and point of contact. Here is it, this is point of contact or not ma? Given conicoid is s is equal to ax square plus by square plus cz square minus 1 equal to 0, and point of contact is I am denoting that one with p ma, which is x1 y1 z1. This is point of contact ma, right? Whenever p is x1 y1 z1 and s1 is this ma, can you proceed what is s1 here and what is s11 here? Both I want to write ma. This implies under notations ma, s1 is what ma, axx1 plus byy1 plus czz1 minus 1. And what about s11 ma? It is here replace x with x1, y with y1, z with z1, you get s11 ma. What is that? ax1 square plus by1 square plus czz1 square minus 1, right? Here clearly condition I am writing ma. If this is s ma, so that s11 is equal to 0 or not ma? Yes, absolutely possible. Take it number 1. Because this is equal to 0, s11 is what here ma? This here if you can substitute x equal to x1, y equal to y1, z equal to z1, this becomes what ma? 0 or not? I mean ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1 equal to what ma? 0. That is your s11 equal to 0. Somewhere we have to use this ma. Now keep this result aside ma. In the next step ma, I want to define a line which can passes through this point P and having some direction ratios L comma M comma N ma. At end stages we can eliminate L M N ma, you get your required result ma, right? First what ma, define a line passing through point P and having direction ratios L comma M comma N ma. The equation of a line passing through point P x1 y1 z1 and having direction ratios L comma M comma N is, what is that line ma? X minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N. Again, to define a general point on this line ma, in this total unit ma, general point in 100% cases you have to find ma, after getting the line. In each and every concept ma, in each and every problem, almost in 90% of the questions ma. To find general point ma, let us take this is some lambda, say, and take this as some relation number 2 for our convenience, right? After that ma, define general point here ma. General point on above line is Yes, I am denoting with a ma. It is x equal to x1 plus lambda l, y equal to y1 plus lambda m, and z is equal to z1 plus lambda m. This is general point ma. General point means basically anywhere on this line ma. I want to take that is at intersecting stage ma. Intersecting stage means what ma? It is on the line as well as on the conicoid. I mean in the next step take this capital A is a point on the given conicoid. Let capital A is a point on the conicoid. Yes, what is that conicoid ma? Ax square plus by square plus cz square minus 1 equal to 0, right? Whenever this is a point on this conicoid, this equation must satisfied by this point. Yes, replace x with this one, replace x with x1 plus lambda l, y with y1 plus lambda m, z with z1 plus lambda n. Then what we get? This implies a into x1 plus lambda l whole square plus b into y1 plus lambda m whole square plus c into z1 plus lambda n whole square minus 1 equal to 0. In the next step, let us expand this one according to a plus b whole square ma, and then write lambda square coefficient separately, lambda coefficient separately, and free from lambda coefficient separately ma. First of all, I want to write lambda square coefficient ma. It is a l lambda square ma. It is b square term ma in each and every stage. There lambda square take outside ma. It is a l square plus bm square plus cn square into lambda square. Al square plus bm square plus cn square into lambda square. In this a plus b whole square expansion, 2ab term gives lambda coefficient or not ma? There 2 take common and lambda also take common ma. Write remaining expression. It is 2ab ma, lambda outside. It is a x1l or not ma, or al x1 or not. Any order you can write ma. al x1 plus here also b m y1 plus c n z1, that is into 2 lambda. It is lambda coefficient plus free from lambda coefficient ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1 ma. It is ax1 square plus by1 square plus cz1 square minus 1. This total thing is equal to 0, right? Once come on to here ma. You know this line means line equation 2 touches given conicoid ma, then only it becomes tangent plane na. If this line can touches this conicoid ma, then there exists only one common point na. Only one common point means if you can solve here lambda values ma, 2 lambda values will get, but both should be what ma? Same. I mean whenever this line can touches this conicoid ma, roots of this equation are equal, hence its discriminant becomes 0. Let us take discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0 ma. That condition I am proceeding in the next step ma. We know that line equation 2, line 2 means line equation 2 touches given conicoid, so that roots of above equation are equal, hence its discriminant becomes 0. Hence its discriminant becomes 0. Yes, this implies what is discriminant ma? B square. It is what? 4, 2 square na? 4 into al x1 plus b m y1 plus c n z1 whole square minus 4 into a into c ma. 4 into a is what ma? Al square plus bm square plus cn square into c. C is this no? Is it this is S11 or not? I am writing directly S11 for my convenience is equal to 0. Any problem ma? I am writing this as S11 because what is S11 ma? Directly I substituted ma. Right? Here I am writing reason. Since b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we use discriminant becomes 0 condition ma. Here ma, take 4 common and take on to other side or divide with 4. After that, once look number 1 ma. According to 1, is it S11 0 or not ma? So that this becomes what ma? 0. Just this remains ma. In this also square term is not required. I am writing that last relation as like this ma. ALX1 plus BMY1 plus CNZ1 whole square minus 0 is equal to 0 since from 1. Clearly I am writing the condition. Right? But again this you can write as what ma? ALX1 plus BMY1 plus CNZ1. ALX1 plus BMY1 plus CNZ1 square also you can remove ma, is equal to 0. Let it be this is relation number 3 in the continuation number ma. Right? Here actually LMN are our taken numbers ma, notations ma, nowhere in the statement. At end stages we need to eliminate them. For that use equation 2 and 3 ma. I mean in the next step let us eliminate L comma M comma N by using equations 2 and 3. How can you eliminate ma? Here replace L with x minus x1, M with y minus y1, N with z minus z1 ma. Like that you can replace ma. That word I am writing here ma. Eliminating L comma M comma N using equations 2 and 3 we get. Yes, how to eliminate already you know ma. A into L is what ma? X minus x1 into this x1 I am writing. Instead of L we are writing as what ma? X minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 into y1 plus C into z minus z1 into z1 is equal to 0. Like this you can eliminate LMN ma. Now I am writing this expression as 2 parts ma. One part is AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 is one relation ma, minus of AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square ma. Like that I am proceeding here ma. Right? This implies AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 is one part minus of, come on to here ma, AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square is equal to 0. AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square equal to 0 ma. Any doubt ma? But again come on to here ma. We know that S11 equal to 0 means this equal to 0 ma. If this equal to 0, this take on to other side, AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square equal to 1 or not? I mean this one you can replace with 1 ma. That I am doing here ma. This implies AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1, AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 minus 1 equal to 0. Since clearly I am writing ma. AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square minus 1 equal to 0. This implies AX1 square plus BY1 square plus CZ1 square is equal to 1. This total term we are replacing with 1 ma. Right? Once go to your notations ma. In the beginning stages we defined na. Is it this total thing is S1 or not ma? Right? I mean this last word is what ma? S1. This implies you can take S1 is equal to 0. But what is this ma? On what basis we proceed ma? We taken this touches means this line is tangent line ma to the conicoid, means this plane becomes what ma? Is it tangent plane to the given conicoid or not ma? Here clearly I am writing which is tangent plane or equation of tangent plane, to the given conicoid. This is about your theorem number 1. It is already we did this work in unit number 1 and unit number 2 also. Same work we had done here. But already I told this formula wise it is again very important. Whenever they want equation of tangent plane to some surface s equal to 0 means what? You must go for s1 equal to 0. Remember it. Yes. Now let us see a problem related to previous theorem number 1. Find the equation of tangent plane to the conicoid. Find the equation of tangent plane to the conicoid. Find equation of the tangent plane to the conicoid. X square minus 2y square plus 3z square plus 4 equal to 0 at 1, 2, 1. Find equation of tangent plane to the conicoid x square minus 2y square plus 3z square plus 4 equal to 0 at 1, 2, 1. Sorry. Yes. Here they want equation of tangent plane. Take this is s equal to 0. This point you can take as x1, y1, z1. Simply what we have to find? Equation of tangent plane means what? S1 equal to 0. Take S1 condition according to your given conicoid. Take S1 equal to 0. There substitute x1 1, y1 2, z1 1. You get your required tangent plane. That is the concept here. But before doing that, let us take your given conicoid. First write it in the basic form. What is that? Ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1. Then define what are a, b, c. Because in our S1 we need a, b, c values. That's why first write your given conicoid in the proper form, then find a, b, c values. Initially I am doing that work. Given conicoid is, yes, it is x square minus 2y square plus 3z square equal to minus 4. This plus 4 I am taking on to other side now. Under formation you need right side 1. That's why divide throughout expression with what? This minus 4. Dividing with minus 4 on both sides. Dividing with minus 4 on both sides. We get, what is that? Minus 1 by 4 into x square minus 1 by 4 into x square, minus into minus becomes plus 2 by 4 into y square plus minus 3 by 4 into z square is equal to 1. Any problem with this? We are dividing with minus 4 on both sides. Here minus into minus becomes plus. That's why you got here plus. Here it is minus itself. Compare this one with your regular form, which is in the form of what is that form? Ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1, where a is equal to minus 1 by 4, b is equal to 2 by 4, 2 1s the 2 2s the, is it 1 by 2 or not? Directly I am writing, and c is equal to minus 3 by 4. Like this, first define ABC values, but after writing your proper form only. Here you must get 1, that keep in mind. In the next step, take your given point as x1, y1, z1. Then define your equation of tangent plane at that point. Right? Directly I am proceeding the condition. The equation of tangent plane at the point x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 2, z1 equal to 1 is basically it is what ma, S1 equal to 0. But what is S1 ma? It is AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 is minus 1 equal to 0 or equal to 1, any order you can write. This is S1 ma, right? Substitute A and X1, B and Y1, C and Z1 values here ma. This implies what is A here ma? Minus 1 by 4 into X into X1 is 1. Next B ma, plus 1 by 2 into B is 1 by 2 into Y into Y1 is what ma? 2. C, it is what ma? Minus 3 by 4 into Z into Z1 is what ma? 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Here this 2 gets cancelled. Now write it ma. This is what ma? Minus x by 4 plus y minus 3 by 4 into z minus 1 equal to 0. Remove this denominator 4 ma. For that multiply with 4 on both sides. Otherwise multiply with minus 4 on both sides. I want to remove negation also. This implies x minus 4y plus z minus 4 equal to 0 ma. This be equation of tangent plane. I mean tangent plane to given conicoid ma. Like this how to complete ma, right? Here you can verify answer figure ma in the examination. After getting this result ma, let us proceed this point ma. If this point can satisfy this equation, then only your answer is correct. Just I am verifying ma. X is what ma? 1. 1 minus 4 into 2 plus z is 1 minus 4. Once look how much ma? It is x plus z. Sorry, this is plus only na? My big fault ma. Because here we are multiplying with minus 4 na. Here it becomes plus ma. This is plus 4. Once look ma. 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus 8 plus 1 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 should be there ma. Wait 1 minute. Yes, once see here ma. Actually here we are multiplying with minus 4 na. This is x na. This is minus 4y minus 3z. Instead of minus to minus becomes plus. Here it should be plus 3z. I am writing simply z. Now plus 4 equal to 0. Yes, substitute the point ma. 1 minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1 means what ma? Clearly I am writing plus 3 into 1 plus 4 ma. It is, this is 3. 1 minus 8 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3, 7, 8. 8 minus 8 is what ma? 0. If this answer can satisfy, then only your result is correct ma. Otherwise it should be wrong, right? Here just I did mistake ma. 3z instead of 3z simply I wrote z ma. It is 3z ma, right? This is your required equation of tangent plane ma. If anywhere you want equation of tangent plane ma, simple concept is what ma? Let us take S1 equal to 0. S1 means in this conicoid what ma? AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 minus 1 equal to 0 is what ma? S1 ma, right? If anywhere they want equation of tangent plane to the given conicoid ma, you must go through directly what ma? S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0 where S1 is AXX1 plus BYY1 plus CZZ1 minus 1 equal to 0. And already I told after getting the result you can verify answer. Substitute your point of contact here ma. That equation should 100% satisfies, then only your answer is correct, otherwise it should be wrong.